It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud. That's What Dinosaurs Do by Jory John and illustrated by Pete Oswald. What is it that dinosaurs do? This dinosaur looks like he lives in a neighborhood and is friends with the children. Do you have any guesses about what this dinosaur does? Is it something all dinosaurs do? Or is it just him? Let's read and find out. See, there's people on a bench waiting at a bus stop. Now look at this. Boing, 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 boing. Roar! What just happened? The dinosaur just jumped out of the bush to scare all of those people. He went, roar! And they went, ah! Ah! Woo! Why would he do that? Well, that's what dinosaurs do. Oh, and here he is. He's at the playground, and he goes, roar! Ah! Ah! Oh, and here he is at a farm. He is driving the tractor, and he roars at all the sheep. Can you roar? Roar! Bah! 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 William had a really great weekend, but now his throat hurt from way too much roaring. He did all that roaring in one weekend? Is that his hobby? William went to the doctor. Do you see some things that don't belong? Look, there's a bicycle, a soccer ball, and a fishing rod. Oh, those things don't belong. I would think that would hurt very much. No more roaring for a week, the doctor proclaimed. And I mean it. Roar? Asked William. Exactly, said the doctor. Don't do that. But how can I not roar? Thought William. That's what dinosaurs do. William was sad, down, distraught, depressed, drained. Roaring was his life. Now what? He did want to get better, though, so William completely stopped his roaring. It was not easy. Look, he's wrapping his mouth shut. There was just so many great opportunities to roar. Yeah! Sigh. Yeah! Sigh. Moo! Sigh. As embarrassing as it was, poor William decided that he must live a life of silence. He sat in his chair and stared at the wall and drank cup after cup of chamomile tea with honey. Not roaring is so boring, thought William. It's no fun when a dinosaur loses his roar, even for a week. On Tuesday, William moped around his garden. On Wednesday, William remained inside his house. On Thursday, William stayed under the covers all day. On Friday, William could barely stand it. He had to roar again. William went back to the doctor. It looks a little better, William, said the doctor. Still not great, though. Roar? Asked William. You may roar, said the doctor, but if you roar too much, your throat will surely hurt again. Outside the doctor's office, William spotted the mailman, who smiled and waved. William waved back. Then he felt something bubbling up inside of him. William knew he shouldn't roar at the nice mailman. But he did it anyway. Roar! Because that's what dinosaurs do. William spotted some kids at the playground. They were having a lot of fun. William liked fun, so he joined them on the swings and on the slide. Yay! Woo! While he played, William knew he shouldn't roar at all the kids. But then he felt a new roar bubbling up until he just couldn't help himself. Roar! Because that's what dinosaurs do. William spotted some people waiting for the bus. He waited and waited. Fact, dinosaurs don't like waiting. Fact, they like roaring. Roar! Yes, that's what dinosaurs do. William rode the bus all the way home. At his stop, the driver said, "Have a nice day, William." William turned and smiled his nicest, toothiest smile. Then he roared at the driver's face. "Geez, what was that for?" asked the driver. There was only one answer to his question. That's what dinosaurs do. William had another great weekend. The townspeople gathered in front of William's house and demanded an apology. Even his doctor was there. But William wasn't sorry for roaring. Not one bit. You want to know why? Because that's what dinosaurs do. This dinosaur likes to roar. He says it is just because that's what all dinosaurs do. Have you been in the dinosaur's position where you do whatever you wanted? How did that make you feel? And have you been in the neighbor's position where you were yelled at by the dinosaur unexpectedly? How did that make you feel? Empathy is when you think about others' feelings and perspective. I don't like being yelled at, but jumping out around the corner to scare Sunshine is fun and makes him laugh. But Sunshine's daddy does not like being scared the same way, and I love him, so I don't scare him too often. I'm Carmabela. Sunshine and I hope you enjoyed this book as much as we did. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a family you think will enjoy it too. And as always, thanks for reading that with me.